Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Warzone 2 GPU driver version outdated error. Right, so the first thing that you can do here, you need to go to device manager and look what GPU you're using. So on display adapters you can see that I'm using NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. So if you're using NVIDIA as well, what you can do here, you can go to GeForce Experience and make sure you updated your drivers to the latest version, right? Check for updates, and if there is some updates, please do so and then restart your computer. And then what you can do here next is to go to settings, and then you need to go to here in-game overlay and make sure to disable this option. Okay, and then if we go back on home on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, make sure you're using recommended settings here, right? You can optimize here and use the recommended settings as well, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.